Yikes, y'all, I'm excited. Period. Okay, we still waiting on her, so period. To my channel. Actually, this is the first hair video that I'm doing. I'm gonna make it fast. I'm gonna make a whole nother video because my life has definitely, yeah, we're gonna make a whole nother video, but today we'll be doing this style. I'll be showing y'all how I this style on wigs. I mainly do wig and quick weaves, a little bit of frontal enclosure sew-ins and quick weaves, but I still do those. So yeah, I'm gonna make this real quick. I don't want to be too long. So yeah, this is my beautiful setup. I sell hair as well, so get at me. I gotta put those on the rack, but we're gonna my clients sit here. We watch church, so I'm about to put on a sermon. I'm gonna get ready for this client. I'm about to put a sermon on and wait till she get here. So yeah, I'm so excited to start this new. This is my first video coming back to you guys, vlogging. I got a real camera. I'm so excited. My life is like put together due to God, you guys. Like, but I'm gonna stop talking because y'all came to see a hair tutorial. So my client finally came and she just wanted a different style with her hair. So this is the old install, but right now I'm parting her hair into a middle part, making sure it's straight. And I'm about to put on a band so we will not, you know, cause her hair to lift up while we're pulling or whatever. But right now I'm pressing out her hair because I didn't have a hot comb on, girl, so the hot comb's still cold. So I was like, girl, let me just straighten out your hair first. So right now we're just gonna straighten it out. If you want to skip into the part I'm doing the braids, that is totally okay. And this monetizer for my girlies who just love to watch hair videos, so that's why this video is longer. So, you know, I'm just giving a little content for you guys to watch me do the whole process, but you guys can also skip it. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I got so much content in store for you guys. I'm so excited to start this new journey. So yeah, please make sure y'all stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take off the band. Now I'm just trying to see, does she have any lifting or anything? She only had a little lifting, so I just cut it off. There was no need to glue it down. So that's a good tip for you guys. If y'all have lifting, just cut the extra lace off so you won't have to keep gluing it every day and making it look dirty. Right now I'm just combing all the flyaways out the way. I'm combing out more edges for the other side of her hair. Yep. Making sure the parts are straight. Y'all want to double check about 10-15 times to make sure the part's straight. And right now I'm putting spritz on her lace so I can melt it. Like, the rest of the lace was fine, but I just wanted to remelt the front piece of her hair. So yep, use spritz, you guys, not freeze spray, because that has alcohol in it and it will cause your lace to lift up. So yeah, so right now we're melting her lace again, and now we're about to get to styling. So right now, y'all would have grabbed that. Ooh, Ooh, somebody just got some money in their pocket, baby. Somebody just placed an order. Y'all better shop with love here. Okay, back to the video. I'm sorry. But right now, y'all want to hot comb and like mold the hair into like, you know, into the right position y'all want it. But me personally, I like to hot comb it back and then the top, like hot comb it down. Right now, I'm hot combing all back towards me to make sure I get it real flat. You know, this is the best way for me to get it flat. You can hot comb it all going down however you want it, but just make sure it's flat, okay? So now I'm grabbing my Got To Be spray. Now this is good for styling hair. Like this is my go-to. Got To Be spray is what I use to mold down ponytails or anything. So right now I'm just about to mold down her two braid ponytails, I guess. But yeah, so I sprayed it and now I'm combing it back. I'm combing it into position on how I want her braids to lay. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm about to grab my hot comb again, because that hot comb, once you spray the freeze spray and get that hot comb, it's gonna seal it, y'all. When I say it's gonna seal it, it's gonna dry real fast and it's gonna be shiny. It just does it for me every time. That freeze spray and that hot comb, that oh baby, making it look polished. Okay, y'all should definitely try that. Y'all see how it's already molded? You see so fast, you ain't gotta wait for the freeze spray to dry, you know? It's already dry now. I could start styling, I could start braiding. So right now, I'm about to braid. You just wanna braid regular, you guys. This is not a braiding class, baby. I can't teach you how to braid. I don't know how to teach nobody how to braid, but just start braiding. You want to braid regular for these type of fluffy butterfly braids or whatever you want to call it. Y'all tell me the name for these braids, because I don't know. I'm going to keep calling them messy butterfly braids. So y'all see these look like regular braids. Like, just, you know, just braid down. That freeze spray locked her hair in position to where I can just braid it, and you see how it's still slick. So yeah, just braid regular and braid really tight as well too. Do not braid loose with this. Braid tight. And when I do the braid, like the plait right there, don't go all the way down. You don't want to do that. Just stop in the middle, because once you start pulling it, the braid, yeah, you're gonna just don't go all the way down. Y'all gonna see what I'm about to tell you. Just stop halfway, and you could really stop early, honestly. So yeah, so now I'm about to do that to the other side, and right now I'm getting a freeze spray, and I'm about to mold it down for any flyaways. When I was braiding, the freeze spray helps when you do that. Like if you have any gaps in the braid or whatever, you want to get your freeze spray so it can be like silk, like going straight down, you know, and get that hot comb to mold it down. And this works real good. Like if your braid is like kind of messy and look gappy or whatever. Okay, so I did the other side. So now we're about to pull these braids to give it the messy look. So right now y'all just want to go in the whole braid and just keep pulling, being messy. Just pull however. And sometimes I would get the I pull the rubber band out and I will, you know, just scrunch out the braid. That's what you want to do. Just scrunch it out. Just pull. This way gives it the messy look. Alright, so now we got both sides messy looking, you know, butterfly messy braids. And now we're just about to get a bobby pin and just put it through the wig. I like to put the bobby pins through the wig, so you know when my clients go home or whatever, they don't have to keep, you know, messing up their hair. I put it through the wig to like where their braids is, like where their braid down is. Y'all should definitely try that. It keeps the, you know, keep it in place. So right now I'm just about to mold down the back, you know, make it slick. The freeze spray definitely does it. Give it that shine and everything you need for styling. Just make it look more polished, you know. So now I'm about to do her edges and fix that little flyaway. So with this, I'm just combing out her edges and about to style it. I mean, I would do a edge tutorial. That should be another video coming up, actually. We're gonna do that, but I'm gonna just show y'all how I do it. Y'all can just see right now, but I'll give y'all a tutorial. I'm not gonna speak, so enjoy the little music.